3 reasons why pause is important for a speaker. Mark Twain once said that the right word may not be effective, but no word was ever as effective as a rightly timed pause. When you say something important or something controversial, give a pause. So give space for the people to digest what you just said. So pause between 2 topics lets people know that you are moving from one subtopic to another. Pause gives the audience time to process the information. For example, if you are sharing some interesting incident and you say guess what, and you give a pause, so it creates a different impact, right? Pause helps you to do 3 things. Number 1, it helps you to listen to your audience. Number 2, it helps you to listen to your own self. Number 3, it helps you to calm yourself down when you pause and breathe. Hope you liked my video. Stay tuned for more.